Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting by confirming access. Sign into iCloud and Google and make sure Calendar is enabled on both. Once signed in, pick the Apple Calendar you want to move or mirror and export it. Ike's file from iCloud. Or use calendar sharing. You do this because direct two-way sync isn't always automatic. Exporting creates a portable snapshot. Make sure the calendar you export is the one you actively use, and keep the file handy. You'll import it into Google in the next step. Now upload that. Ike's into Google Calendar via Settings, Import and Export. Choose the Google Calendar you want events to land in. Once uploaded, Google will parse events, but you must check time zone settings and recurring rules because mismatches create duplicates or wrong times. If you want ongoing updates, consider adding your iCloud calendar as a subscribed calendar in Google rather than a one-time import. After import, scan a few entries across dates to confirm accuracy and fix any time zone or privacy flags. Finish by choosing a sync strategy. Subscribe to iCloud and Google for read-only updates or use a trusted third-party bridge for two-way sync. You do this to keep changes synchronized. Then make Google the default calendar on your devices so new events save there. If events are missing or duplicates appear, refresh both calendars, re-import the Ike's if needed, and check permissions for calendar access. If that fails, revoke and reauthorize account connections. That often resolves lingering sync token errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.